Boss.
Si Engineer Rene Domingo, ang aming dating manufacturing director sa SCA Hygiene Products. Naging kumpare ko, siya ang immediate boss ko bago ako nag-retire. Si Engineer Mercades naman, contemporary ko siya bago siya nagpunta sa sa Europe, no? Kasama ng isang Frances. Nagkontrata sila sa Europe at sa Asia. Then lately, nagsarili na siya rin sa Philippines. Nagtatayo ng mga planta ng mga paper machines.
Okay. Engineer?
Message po
para...
And since then, we were together for more than 4 years until he retired 3 years ago. 2 years ago. We describe si Baby as a kasama employee, as a person. He's a person that you can rely upon. So, I still recall when we restarted yung business ng JoyIP and we need somebody to spearhead yung organization. We have chosen him to lead the organization, and we did a good choice. In a very short span of time, we were able to achieve all the objectives and targets that we had set. And that business grew continuously until we retired more than 4 years ago. So, si Baby is a doer. But there's a major accomplishment that I would like napating si Baby. And I would like to congratulate him. And this is kanyang I consider as major accomplishment niya. And few parents have achieved this. And I would like to congratulate you, Dave, for growing up your children to be responsible and loving children. And for that, I congratulate you. I wish I could do the same. And I salute you for that. Happy birthday again, Dave.
Thank you.
Babe, just want to say happy birthday and thanks that we are still here together. For the ups and downs, we have done that. And congratulations to be a good father. Thank you.
Of course, I also like to call Tita Grace, the sister of Tatay Baby. The only sister, the only girl in the family.
From Cebu, all the way from Cebu.
Balita ko, Tatay, hindi nyo alam na nandito si Tita Grace din.
Schedule ko. Last week lang nandito siya eh. Schedule niya, magkikita uli kami next week. Kasi may anak siyang pinagagamot eh, kay Elizabeth Professor. Eh ngayon, by monthly na schedule, dati weekly. So, next week po siya na-expect.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, totoo yung sinabi ni Baby, hindi ako dapat nandito kasi yun ang sabi ko sa kanya. Pero matagal na kaming nag-usap ng misis niya, saka ng mga anak niya. Surprise ko talaga sa kanya. Kaya, Be, happy birthday and may God grant you all your heart desires. Yun lang po.
Thank you very much, Tita Grace. And of course, we would like to call on Paolo and we would like to call on Tito Boyet. Si Tito Boyet po.
The youngest, ano? Youngest brother of our good father.
Siya talaga dapat yung baby.
Oh, dapat siya yung baby. Gani.
Well, wish para siya baby.
Actually, sa lahat po ng magkakapatid, dito lang mo ako nakakagusto. Dahil disiplinaryan mo siya, at saka pag sinabi niya, gagawin niya. Hindi ka tulad ng dalawa ko, medyo hindi pa ako kami takot dun eh. Dito mo kami talaga natakot. Yan lang ako.
Sige po, thank you very much.
Salamat.
And of course,
Last but not the least.
ayan, we would like to call on Paolo and
Paolo, Trish.
Trish
Trish, come here.
to greet
To greet
Lolo.
Tatay. Lolo baby. Okay, akit din ako. Ayan.
So, may para sa mga ako.
Yeah. Okay, Pao. What do you want to say to Lolo Babes?
Happy birthday, Lola Babe.
Okay, Trish, ikaw, ang sayo mo kay Lolo?
Happy birthday, Lola Babe. I love you.
Kiss na lang. Okay.
Alright. Wow. Lovely, Apos. Okay.